The iPhone 17 Pro has some insane hidden features. New camera modes, cool customizations, AI tools, and a lot more. Here are the best 20 iPhone 17 Pro tips and tricks you need to try right now. First, capture in true 48 megapixels. Go to Settings, scroll to Camera, Formats, turn on Pro RAW and Resolution Control. Now open your camera and tap the 24 megapixel label. Switch it to 48 megapixel. You'll instantly notice richer details and sharper textures. Second, dual recording. Open your camera, video mode, tap the three dots. Turn on dual capture. You'll now record with both the front and back cameras simultaneously. Third, auto framing front camera. Switch to the selfie camera, tap the center stage button, turn on auto zoom and auto rotate. Your iPhone will automatically switch to landscape when more people join the frame. Hands-free, frame-perfect shots. Fourth, AI call screening. Go to Settings. Scroll down, select Apps. Scroll to find the phone. Tap on it. Then scroll to the Screen Unknown Callers section. Select Turn on Ask Reason for Calling. Now, when an unknown number calls, your iPhone answers first. It asks them to say their name and reason, then transcribes it live on screen. No spam calls, no stress. Fifth, turn any photo into 3D spatial magic. Open any photo in your Photos app. See that small 3D icon in the corner? Tap it. Now tilt your phone, and boom, your picture turns into a 3D spatial scene. Sixth, adaptive power mode. Head to Settings, tap on Battery, scroll to Power Mode, and then turn on adaptive power. Once it's on, your iPhone automatically saves battery by adjusting refresh rate and brightness based on your activity. Seventh, resize and recolor. Your icons, hold your home screen, tap Edit, then Customize. Try resize apps to make icons larger or smaller. Then scroll to tinted icons and match colors to your wallpaper. Eighth, dynamic 3D lock screen. From your lock screen, press and hold, create new wallpaper. Pick a photo, tap the spatial button, and boom, your wallpaper comes to life in 3D. Ninth, make any song your ringtone. Open Files. Select an MP3, tap Share, use as ringtone. That's it. No iTunes, no GarageBand, just pick and set. Free and simple. 10th, circle to search anything. Take a screenshot, circle an object, and your iPhone instantly searches the web for it. Whether it's a product, place, or outfit, you'll find it in seconds. It's like Apple's version of Google Lens, built right in. 11th, torch beam precision. Open Control Center, turn on the flashlight, and now swipe up and down and sideways. You'll adjust the beam width and brightness. 12th, see battery time till full. Plug in your charger. And now, on the lock screen, you'll see exactly how long till 80%. You can also check it in battery settings. Finally, no more guessing when your phone's almost done. 13th, camera button shortcut. Go to Settings, Camera, Camera Control. Toggle on camera adjustments. Then, customize it to your favorite tool: zoom, exposure, or focus. 14th, customize message backgrounds. Open Messages. Tap a chat. Hit their name. Choose backgrounds. Add gradients, sky themes, or matching colors for each friend. 15th, one-handed zoom gesture. In Maps, tap once and hold, then slide up or down to zoom. No pinching. It's surprisingly smooth and addictive to use. 16th, stolen device protection. Go to Settings, then Face ID and passcode. Here, find stolen device protection. Now turn it on. If your phone's stolen, no one can change your Apple ID or passcode for 1 hour unless you're at a trusted location. 17th, Control Center customization. Swipe down, long press on screen. Tap Edit Controls. Add shortcuts like dark mode, low power, or notes. 18th, auto-delete verification codes. In Settings, go to General, select Autofill and Passwords. Then, in the Verification Codes section, enable Delete After Use. 19th, Instant Scroll Trick. Tired of scrolling endlessly? Tap the top edge of your screen, and boom, you jump to the top instantly. And for home screens, drag across the dot bar to swipe through pages faster. 20. Animated album art. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, then find and tap the music. Scroll down and under Animated Art, make sure this is turned on. Because now, if you tap the album artwork from Apple Music, it animates on the lock screen. And again, this just looks too cool. And that's it. For more interesting tips and tricks, subscribe.